Oh, what's going on here? It's like a little, but this is my little beast. Yeah, there she is. Badass machine. Fuck, that bike's loud, man. Kayla's clearly the alpha in this situation. There's a bunch of bikers up there. It's a Santa crew. And we got a collection behind us. I think we went the wrong way. That's up. She's a bit warm. As you guys can see, my handlebars are looking a bit full now because I got my TPX radar installed again. I've had that thing for ages, and it's been sitting in my garage ever since I sold my TUONO V4. So yeah, I got that installed today. The cables are ridiculously expensive. Just the LED light was $120. Justify that for me. Anyway, I'm on my way to a massive bike meet. There's probably a couple of hundred bikes going to be there, maybe. It varies, but anyway, we're going. The guy I met, Aaron, is photographing it. I'm just going to meet Kayla, his other half, down here at the mobile station, and we're going to ride in together. So let's just get to the gas station. She's going to be there in like 10-15 minutes. I brought my camera today, so we'll get a bunch of photos of the other bikes and whatever's happening around there. Oh, what's going on here? It's like a little camp going on. I don't want to pop a tire on this shit. There's a taste of what's to come for the South Island. Oh man, I used to come down here for lunch breaks all the time when I used to work at some place. I can't remember what it was when I had a normal job. Those were the days. I'll tell you what, being self-employed is cool, but it's a fucking headache sometimes. The bike's looking good. I cleaned the wheels, they're looking all shiny. Maybe I'll get a photo now. I'm running the Fujifilm X-H2 at the moment. I got my chest mount as well, so I get some video around there. But this is my little beast. A lot of thought went into that photo right there, I'll tell you that. Oh, art. Oh, no wonder I'm a professional. Yeah. And those dudes are having a party over there. Akra. That was really, really good art making there. I'm thirsty as actually. I might go to the gas station and get a drink. I've been cranking the old school corn vibes. Young people following won't know what. You probably think I'm talking about a vegetable when I say corn, but no. I'm talking about the band. Let's get a sound of this thing. I put the baffle back in. Should have taken it back out to make some noise. I did do a review on the TPX radar as well, if you guys are interested in seeing it. I did that ages ago. Oh, there's so much glass and shit around here. I might park over here in the shade actually. There's not that there's much of it. She's pretty warm today. Alright, I'm gonna go get a drink anyway. Oh, I can hear a Ducati. Yeah, there she is. Badass machine. What's going on?
Oh, how are you?
Yeah, good. I can hear this thing from a mile away, eh?
So Aaron says as well, he's like, yeah, I can hear you coming.
Yeah.
Beautiful day for it though, eh?
Yeah, man. Should be sweet. I brought my camera, so hopefully get some photos. I think I drove past it today. I saw the like racetrack. I was picking up the cables for I put my radar back on.
Oh, cool. What radar have you got?
The TPX 3.0.
Oh, yeah.
So it's like the only option. And the 3.0 one is the only difference I think is it has GPS. The 2.0 one is doesn't have GPS, but otherwise it's the same.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Yeah, it's so handy, eh?
Yeah.
So handy.
Oh, sweet. Should we get out of here?
Yeah, sweet. Let's do it.
I'll follow you.
Okay, cool.
Things are f***ing beast. I really like the look of the new Panigale, like the brand new one with the double-sided swing arm, but I'm not a Ducati fanboy, so I'm not attached to the single-sided one. But this bike, the last of them before the new shape Panigales, is probably my favorite. And they just sound ruthless. Oh, it's a 959, not a 1290. It's a mint day for it there. It's a funny place to have it. It's like peak hour traffic from pretty much any side of Auckland you come from. But I guess they're all mostly on motorbikes, so. I'd be interested to see how much power those 959s have, being like an older V-twin compared to something like this, you know. Fuck, that bike's loud, man. Kayla's clearly the alpha in this situation. Here's the traffic. There's a bunch of bikers up there. Oh, it's the Santa crew. It's pretty easy to get carried away when you're riding with a bunch of friends on motorbikes. You're feeling the vibes and you kind of start riding above your ability. It's a bad idea. It's probably my main argument behind not doing group rides. Stick to people that are kind of in your speed bracket. Don't try and keep up with people that have been riding for 20 years if you're on your learners. I think we might be getting off here. Oh, it sounds good. There's a few more. It'll be a big turnout because it'll be like the Christmas one. Oh, we're just about there, guys. Oh, we got a collection behind us. The last time I was here, it was Big Day Out, a music concert in like 2001, and I saw Limp Bizkit. That's how long ago that shit was. Oh, there's like a little racetrack there. What the fuck? I think we went the wrong way. What's up, Scotty? Oh, it's a big turnout again. Now we just got to find Aaron. I gotta do a Yui. Alright, let's get this chest cam on. It's like proper fucking hot. Yeah, I didn't see him.
No.
I saw that other. It wasn't him with the guy with the dual harness thing. I don't know about those XSRs. They're kind of funny.
It's not that style.
Probably take a while to get a beer. Supposed to be working.
Yeah.
it's my mate's birthday, so I'm going to go and see him, see the boys, and then we'll see what happens after that.